Up to the Waterford train. How the hell happened to that, yo? Unreal paintwork, look at that. Looks like it had a fight with something. Probably a tree or something. See all the people coming back on platform 1. Carlow, obviously I'm in Carlow. See, still waiting for the train to go now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trains going, so you might see it going now. See the orange light go off in a minute. Yep, here we go. Let's go to Waterford. There she goes. Bon voyage, baby. That train is going to Waterford. Next station is Bagnallstown and a bag. Then Kilkenny, then Thomastown, then Waterford. There she is. From Euston Station. And there she goes.